Hey, good afternoon. Rod Harter with Mind Power for Seniors. Another great post here for you today. Got to tell you, a couple of weeks ago, I wrote an article about the importance, or the benefit, I should say, of playing music, learning how to play a musical instrument. And since I'm a senior, and chances are you are, this is a great article for anybody who's wanted to think about that. Well, here's what happened. It turns out that it has received the highest response of any article I've written on Mind Power for Seniors. So there must be an interest. I have taken the liberty of adding a few links to this post that I wrote today that will give you a quick link to places where you can look at and consider beginner keyboards that will help you. They're lighted, they're very easy to learn, and if you've ever wanted to play a musical instrument, there's no better opportunity than to do it now. So read the post and click on those links. It'll give you an idea of what you can maybe consider for a beginner's keyboard. So check it out and we'll talk soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.